I am addressing this to all the younger generation of our Tamil diasporas. Listen to boys and girls, it is your duty. You have to come and cast your vote in this referendum. As you may well not aware, but the parents and the old people are talking about this what you call a resolution. It is something you younger generation need to know how our history has been carried on since the independence of Sri Lanka. It's used to known as Ceylon in 1948 when the British left. The Sinhalese government has been running the government on the Lord Salisbury's constitution, whereby the democratic process continuously oppressed the Tamil population. And we have to take the armed struggle in 1977 onwards after all the democratic process have failed. And during the democracy process at the end, in 1976, we have come up with this resolution in Vatukotte, whereby in 1977, the people gave the mandate to go for a separate state, which have failed, and again the country has turned to a doctor constitution, and what they have done brought the 17th Amendment, and the presidency level have put everything out of the window. So it's about time for us to now, we need to take it to the next diplomatic warfare in the next level. And you younger generation must come out and vote if you feel strongly about your people, flesh and blood back home. Those people have no voice, no movement, there's no freedom of speech. Everything has been suppressed over there. We are lucky, at least we have the freedom of choice, freedom of movement, freedom of speech. We've been looked after in humane way. Everything has been given us, which we take it for granted. So it's your duty. I'm requesting you, all your friends and relatives, please make them all come out in one sense and vote. This is your last chance, and be part of it and be proud of it. Whatever you should do, make sure you have asked all the questions what necessary, your parents. If you need more information, you all know where the website is. It's www.vkr1976.org.uk. You will get more information there. If you need any further information regarding this, please send us an email. If not, there are frequently asked questions there. Please go and check it. All you younger generation, I would like to hereby state the voting eligibilities quickly. You will be only asked to prove that you are a Tamil by producing some sort of ID, by saying you are a Tamil name, your descent is Tamil. You don't have to be born in Sri Lanka as long as your descents come from Sri Lanka. The second thing is you must be over 18 years of age. And there will be observers observing you, and you will get only one ballot card once you've been approved. You will be given an ink, which is indelible ink, which will be put on one of your fingers, whereby you will not be able to vote anywhere else. And that ink will last for 72 hours. So therefore, please, if you have any more inquiries about these voters' eligibility, please go and check our website, www.vkr1976.org.uk. Remember the date of the referendum is January 30th, Saturday, if you are outside of M25. If you are within the M25, you can also vote on Sunday as well as Saturdays. So within M25, the polling station should be open from 9 a.m. till 8 p.m. on Saturdays and 10 a.m. till 6 p.m. on Sundays. Please get yourself over there during any one of those 2 days and make sure you have taken at least 15 minutes of your life going towards this referendum, which you will be part of it, and you will certainly remember this for the rest of your life. Thank you.